A 12-foot ladder is leaning against a building at a 75-degree angle with the ground. Which equation can be used to find how high the ladder reaches up the side of the building? So I would start this problem by labeling my sides. 75 degrees is our reference angle. So that makes x the opposite, it's across from the 75 degrees, and that makes 12 the hypotenuse. It's across from the 90-degree angle. So if I'm given the opposite side and the hypotenuse, I already know that I have to use the sine, because the tangent uses the adjacent, and so does the cosine. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of those because we don't know anything about this adjacent side. All right, so then I'm just going to write it out. The sine of theta, remember theta is your degrees, equals the opposite over the hypotenuse. This one is upside down, so that doesn't work, so it has to be d.